Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to stage 62 of building the Ecto-1 from Ghostbusters. This is a mirror image repeat of last time. We are doing exactly the same as we did before, but on the other side. So we're just putting this speaker in the little bracket. 3 screws required total for that particular bit. There we go, that's the third. Keep those aside for later. So 1 screw will just hold speaker onto the back, like so. Then the other 2 in just a moment. Go. We'll hold that bracket onto the back wall. Once those 2 screws are done, I will bring in the entire floor pan that we've been dealing with up till now, and exactly the same as we did last time. We'll do the same again. Get that screw in there. This is being more of a pain than the last one for some reason. I can only assume that I'm being more inept. Let's try that one more time. Working that time. Get the other one in. Come on. Why oh why? Some days you get it, some days you don't. Some days you really don't. But there we go. That is that now on there. Tighten down the first one as well. Find the end of the screw. There it is. Here we go. Right, so I will need once again 3 of the bigger DP screws. 1 ready to go. And this one is fitting same as we did last time over that side, but over this side. That's going behind all of the consoles and stuff that we've just been playing around with. And that will go on there like that. Actually, this one I can probably do fully upside down because it's got more of a stuff to rest it on. Although maybe not. Maybe I'm just being me. Right, I'll get those 3 screws in and then we'll have a look at how it looks at the end of this part of the build. There we go. That is another issue, another stage, another pack, another delivery done. We've done quite a bit. I feel like we're really fleshing out the back now. We've got the 2 side walls on and this whole contraption built in there. Obviously more stuff to go on, cover those holes there, but we'll worry about that another time. For now, I think next time we're getting some runners to put the tracks on. So it's all coming together and starting to feel more like the inside of the Ghostbusters car rather than just empty. So that's that for now. I shall be getting the next pack at some point in the next month or so. So when I do, I shall return and share with you the next part of the build. So for now, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe and I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.